Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Confirm your internet works and your Google account is syncing. Once done, restart the phone to clear temporary glitches and immediately check settings, App's Google Play Store for basic status. If the app is disabled, enable it now. Make sure Play Services is present and not restricted by battery optimization. These background services handle authentication and downloads, so you're establishing a clean baseline before deeper fixes. Next, perform the core repair actions. Force stop Play Store and Play Services, then clear cache and clear data for both. This resets corrupted local files. After that, check for updates in Settings apps or download the latest APK if the store won't update. Outdated components often trigger something went wrong. If you see authentication failures, remove your Google account, reboot, and add it back so tokens refresh. Make sure storage isn't full. Insufficient space blocks installs and updates. To finish, reboot the device and open the Play Store. Try installing or updating a small app to confirm success. If the problem persists, switch to another network or use mobile data to rule out router or DNS problems. Also check VPN or proxy settings, disable them temporarily. If you still see errors, clear the Google Services Framework cache or perform a safe mode test to isolate third-party app interference. Make sure date and time are set to automatic. Incorrect.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.